Okay, how y'all doing? I pray all of you are well. I'm bringing you a greeting in the name of Jehovah, our Creator, and Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King. I'm just going to give you the clues, and y'all going to have to just work through them, okay? Just know that the Democrats, liberals in the United States are closely aligned to these people right here from the Genesis 10 verse 1 to 5 tribe, the Revelation 2 verse 9 tribe, and the Revelation 3 verse 9 tribe. Okay. So they're in our country tearing it apart, just like they destroyed Black America already, turned them in a idiot, turned them in a one generation SODOM, negative birth rate, permanent minority, no control, nothing, can't do nothing on the mainland, okay? When you know say, when I have to look into the technology down there, all the phone companies, the ports, the water, the electricity, the Starlink, all of them people there trace themselves back to NAZIGARMANY and Europe, back to APARTHEID South Africa, back to MARGARETSANGER, back to EUGENICS, back to SATAN, back to ATHEISM, back to COMMUNISM. Nothing good in the earth. You can't add phone own list to it, okay? And them own the newspaper here too, or control will go out from it. It's called LAWFARE. You can't go after them place go do none of this, but them down in Jamaica. And like I said, all of the people them in charge in Jamaica who are not full-blooded, holy and righteous Jacob's children, a lot of them are involved in it. Whether they tell you that they don't know anything about it or not, because them join the same lodge. Hold on. Most of them people here work together. When you see the WHATSAPP, the phone numbers, the geotagging, the geolocation, the NIDS, the one eye, the AI, the IoT, the IOB. They now know everything. I feel them tribe technology this. We now have to get some real Bibles and read the book of, it's in the not Maccabees, Esdras 1 and Esdras 2. It's in the Apocrypha. Make a note of them people here very carefully, and when you notice them share information, notice this information came from a WHATSAPP group. Notice in the Gaza sitting where I go on now, them could I tell say the people that were in charge of the platform there I share information to the one them where over there, so where I do the GONICE, if you tell them where position in terms of the satellite location the so-called terrorists them there. Also realize that everybody in America were black, Hebrew, Jacob, Israelite, Christian. Them same people that denote them as United States domestic terrorists and black identity, EXTREMISTS. And anybody who mentioned the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth or said Jesus Christ is King, them channel no exist, it deleted. But everything were degenerate, then get money. Check out COCOGIRL, COCOBOY. Check out DWEEMWANGO and so on. And check out the dancehall people them, the musicians where them a promote. You see anybody righteous and make no money off of them righteous channel, if it even exists? Me say Psalm 109 I clean them out from top to bottom. Yeah, cause it's a very dirty stream. Hold on. Remember the part about the WhatsApp group, right? And how he would have gotten the information. The same thing go for the Facebook, the Twitter. We don't just have to start follow the bloodline. Okay? Follow the bloodline. We no need to find out what agreement everybody in a Jamaica where no full-blooded Negro or Negress, and even the ones that are, when they were in power, signed with all of these groups. The ARABS, the ASHKENEZI, the NAZIs. Yeah, it's the One World Government, the HINDOOS, the MULATTOES, the Judas Iscariot NEGROES. Uno think so them not go sell no out. If they sell out Jesus Christ of Nazareth, what you think them go do to Uno? Uno think Uno can't go on beach yet? Oh yeah.